If you've ever wondered, an asteroid falling to the ground has a chance of 1 in 250,000 to hit you. So, be careful. Fact number 10. The sun we observe every day is not as yellow as it seems. The sun emits white light actually. It looks different, because of our atmosphere. But that's a less important thing about our star. Have you ever wondered how much bigger it is than the Earth, how much older it is, how far away it is? Welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about space. Sit back and relax. Fact number 9. The Sun is 1,378,657 kilometers larger than the Earth. It is also 150 million kilometers away. The Sun is thought to be 4.5 trillion years old, just like the Earth, just like all the other planets in the system. Usually people take all these numbers lightly. I'll try until the end of the video to explain how tiny we actually are. Fact number 8. There are stars of very strange sizes, properties and appearances. Not every star is exclusively hot. For example, the star WISE 1828 plus 2650 is extremely cold. With a temperature of -23 to -127 degrees Celsius, or BPM 37093 is a star made up exclusively of diamonds. Yes, you understood, that is the most expensive star. The biggest star is Uy. It is 1,700 times larger than the Sun. Fact number 7. The Sun belongs to a galaxy called the Milky Way. Astronomers estimate there are about 100,000 million stars in the Milky Way alone. The galaxy is a huge thing. The distance from star to star is huge. Just imagine that each of these stars is moving at high speeds, and there is room not to collide. And now consider that there are 2 trillion galaxies, more or less similar to ours. Fact number 6. This is a supernova. A supernova is a catastrophic explosion of a star that releases enough energy to overshadow the rest of the galaxy with its brightness. In 1085 it was first recorded, and lasted 6 months. Scientists at that time described that it shone at night, and that the light was stronger than the moonlight. Now consider that this star was perhaps 5,000 light years away. That would mean that the supernova happened before the first man was born. In fact, many of the things we see and study at the moment may no longer exist at all. Even some stars disappeared before the formation of our Earth. But we see its light today. Did I mention how tiny we are? Fact number 5. Have you ever wondered how many satellites are in our orbit other than the Moon? If you think of a number up to 100 now, you will be very surprised. There are 6,542 satellites, of which 3,170 are not in operation. And as usual, we have a situation with parts falling off the satellite. That is, as usual, we have too much garbage. Garbage that causes problems when launching rockets every time. And as usual, we don't have a solution for that garbage, because these are small things that travel at high speeds. Fact number 4. When we mention a black hole, people usually imagine a two-dimensional disk that sucks everything on one side and ejects nothing on the other. In fact, the situation is different. A black hole is nothing but an ordinary star that sucks in everything around it, even light. The closest image NASA took was this one. Fact number 3. Although sound does not pass through a vacuum, it is still possible to hear individual sounds through space. Because the universe is full of stardust, tiny particles that collide to transmit a small percentage of sound. There are super sensitive microphones that record through space, but to my notion it's a little creepy. Fact number 2. If you've learned before that the distance from the moon to Earth is 384,400 kilometers, you probably haven't thought about how much it actually is. Well, between the moon and the Earth can stand no less and no more than a complete solar system. Wow. Weird, isn't it? Fact number 1. If you've ever wondered, are we alone? Well, we don't have an answer yet. Here, I would first like to discover something. Although it may be a threat to us, it's always nice to discover something new. But one thing is for sure. If there is a planet with living beings, far from us, at least 5 billion light years, with better technology than ours. And if they ever look at us with their modern binoculars, most likely they will not see anything, because our system was created 4 billion years ago. It's some problem I imagined in my head. Anyway, thank you for following this video. We will strive for even better quality. Subscribe to our channel. See you.